Get ready to enjoy this awesome traditional South Indian Vatha Kuzhambu made with small onions and sundakai and combined with a potato fry. Serve it with steaming hot rice. A real treat. Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. First we need to take a large lemon size ball of tamarind and soak it in water and extract the juice. Sesame oil or till oil is the best to make this Vatha Kuzhambu. Add some mustard seeds, a few methi seeds, Channa dal. Here I have 4 dry red chillies. This is some crystal hing. Next add in these shallots, that is the Sambar onion or Madras onion as we call it. They give a lovely taste to the Vatha Kuzhambu. Next add a few curry leaves. We are not adding any sambar powder, so we will add simple ingredients easily available at home. This is Dhania powder. I am adding 2 teaspoons. Chilli powder I am adding 1 teaspoon and just a quarter teaspoon of haldi powder. Mix it so the masalas also get well cooked in the oil along with the onions. Just allow the onions to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next add in this tamarind extract. I am adding salt to taste. Now over a low to medium flame, let everything come to a boil till the onions are also well done and the Kuzhambu also thickens to the desired consistency. See, the Vatha Kuzhambu has been boiling well for about 10 to 12 minutes now. You can see it has reduced in volume, also thickened in consistency. The onions are also cooked well. Now I am just adding a little bit of Jaggery powder, or a small bit of Jaggery also you can add just to enhance the taste, because we have the tanginess of the tamarind, spice from the chilli. So a little bit of this Jaggery will enhance the taste. Our perfectly done Vatha Kuzhambu is ready. See, the oil has also started coming out at the sides. Now we will switch it off and there is just one more step. Now for those who are not familiar, this is known as Sundakai Vathal. Sundakai is turkey berry in English. I will give you the image so that you know it in your respective languages. This is sun dried one, so that is why it is called as Vathal. Now we will heat some oil and fry just about 1 or 2 tablespoons of this Sundakai Vathal and add it to the Vatha Kuzhambu. Fry it very well in the oil, then drain out the oil. Add the fried Sundakais on top of the Vatha Kuzhambu. Now for this potato fry, you take about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, jeera, hing, here I have 4 potatoes which I washed and chopped into small pieces. When the dals get a little bit golden brown, now add Drain out the potato and add it. Next, add in some turmeric powder, salt. Today I am using my homemade sambar powder for the spice, and mix it all well together. Add a few fresh curry leaves to it. Stir it well together and allow it to continue cooking on a medium flame till done. When you use a heavy iron kadai, the potato fry turns out really very well. Sprinkle a little water. Now keep it covered and just allow it to cook for another 5-6 minutes more till it's done. See, now our potato fry is perfectly done. Lovely potato fry, perfect combination for the Vatha Kuzhambu. Ready to serve out our absolutely delicious lunch of potato fry. Here we have some steaming hot rice. And top it with this absolutely delicious Vatha Kuzhambu. And some til oil on top. Nowadays many families have shifted to having only idli, dosa or chapati, something like that for dinner. But when we were children, we used to have only rice for dinner, and at dinner time it would be either a Vatha Kuzhambu or a molo Kuzhambu, karupla Kuzhambu, some podi, thogayal, rasam, different things which were light on the stomach too. And one particular thing which I remember, after serving the Vatha Kuzhambu can be served and even can be eaten the next day also, it remains good. And after removing all the Vatha Kuzhambu from this cookware, this Kalchatti, I remember my father used to take some hot rice and mix it with that and give it to all of us. That taste still lingers on in my memory. So love and affection is built in families just by those precious, memorable occasions. Definitely try out this recipe. I have shown you many recipes of Vatha Kuzhambu. This is one recipe where you don't even need a sambar powder. You can make it with simple ingredients, easily available at home. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.